Hi guys, today we are going to work on the pronunciation of cough, rough, dough, through, and although. They all end in O-U-G-H, but they have different pronunciations. So, the first one is cough. That's cough, okay? C-O-U-G-H, cough, cough. We cough in the winter. The next one is rough. Rough, something rough is not smooth. For example, this wall is rough. The wall is rough. It's not smooth. Okay? And then we have dough. D-O-U-G-H. Dough. Dough is what you have before you have bread. So you make the dough, you roll the dough, and then you bake the dough to make bread. That's dough. Then we have through. So this is a preposition, through the window. I threw, the past tense of throw, I threw a ball through the window. Okay? So I threw the ball through the window. And then the next one is although. Although, so I threw a ball through the window, although I meant to hit my brother. Okay, so those are the words. Cough, cough. That one is the most difficult one, I think, for my students. I don't know why. Cough, rough, dough, dough, through, and although, although. Okay, so, man, English is difficult. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give me a like. It's super easy and super fast. Just give me a like. Subscribe to my videos so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And if you found this helpful, please send it to a friend who's also learning English. I hope you enjoyed it and have a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.